Today we can have some quiz time. So did you understand the lesson Journey by Train?
Yes.
So here, who is going to conduct the quiz? It is not me. I am just a spectator. So one side of the children has to ask a question from Journey by Train to the other side of the children. If you know the answer, you can answer. If you don't know the answer, the person who has asked the question can answer and teach them. Other side, you have to get up with a question and you have to try to get the answer from the other group.
Okay.
If they are not able to say, you can teach the same question and answer to them.
Okay.
Let us have this game.
Yes.
Okay, start.
What is the name of story? The story name is Journey by Train. What are the characters in the Journey by Train? Phileas Fogg, Passepartout, Phileas Fogg, Passepartout,
Sir Francis.
Sir Francis, Cromarty,
Then another one character. Elephant owner. Okay, very good. Next. You can ask the spelling for a word. You can ask the meanings. You can ask an opposite, whatever.
What is the novel's name? The novel name is Around the World in 18 Days.
Super da.
Who written the novel?
Who has written?
Who has written the novel Around the World in 80 Days? Jules Verne.
Very good. Next one.
What is the content of the Journey by Train?
He is asking what is the content, what is the novel about?
It's traveling the world.
Yeah, in how many days?
80 days.
That is the content of the novel. Okay. All the children can give a try. Every same 5 or 6 children, you keep on doing all the work. No, all the children can give a try. Ask a very simple question.
Which places the passengers see and sea?
Passenger see.
Yes. Passepartout and
Which places did she see?
Bangladesh and
Bangladesh. What?
Bangladesh and bridges and
Fertile city of-
cultivated city.
Okay. You are asking in that sense. Okay.
Who were the passengers? Government officers and
Now this is your turn and you have to ask a question. Vinita has raised a question and boys that side has to answer. Barnaja, you can frame a question. Try to ask a question.
officers, government officials, nurses.
That's all, huh? Do you have any other word?
No.
That's all. Okay.
What is the meaning for extract?
What he is asking, this story is extracted from the novel. That line he is asking, what is the meaning for extracted?
The extract meaning is taken.
Very good.
What is the amount of the travel in the world? 20,000 or 1.8 million. What is the spelling of passport? Meaning Passepartout.
T-O-U-T. Passepartout. Very good.
Where was his travel?
Where was his traveler? Question is wrong. What do you want to ask him? Where they wanted to go? You say the answer. They wanted to go to Allahabad. Okay.
What the train stopped at the time?
At what time did the train stop?
The train stopped at
Next. Very good, Barnaja. Very good.
What animals are inhabited in the train sound?
snakes, tigers, and elephants.
Okay, next. You can go to the second section, third section, all the sections you can ask questions.
What is the cost of an elephant? The elephant cost
Final cost you are asking?
2,000
2,000 or 4,000?
2,000
2,000, okay.
pounds.
Pounds. There was no question why the train had stopped in the middle of the forest after Colby.
Why did the train stop in the middle of the forest? The train stopped in the middle of the forest because there are no railway lane to Colby to Allahabad.
Very good, Matesh.
So, stand.
This question you have learnt and you have memorized and you have said it fully.
Yes.
Okay.
What is the spelling for Allahabad? A-L-L-A-H-A-B-A-D, Allahabad.
Bhupati, you can try for dictation at least. Mukilan.
What is the elephant name? Kioni. The elephant name is Kioni.
Very good. Some more interesting questions.
Who are traveling the elephant?
Passepartout, the elephant owner, and Sir Francis Cromarty, Phileas Fogg.
Ashwin, you asked the last line. Your question was regarding the last end of the story.
Yes.
Okay.
Why was the San Francisco
Crying. Did he cry?
Yes.
No.
Second.
Angry, not crying. Why was Sir Francis Cromarty angry?
Because there is no railroad lines.
No, because of that he was not angry.
Because
The tickets were
taken from
Colby to Allahabad, but the railway lines were laid fully. For that he got angry. Okay, good. Next. Chardeshna, Sindhumadi, Rifana, very good.
What did you mean?
What did you mean? Mean? What mean? What mean you are asking? Say it in Tamil, I will help you. Okay, next. Anybody else? என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறேன் தமிழில் சொல்லு, நான் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறேன்னா நீ யூ ஆர் டேக்கிங் த புக் அண்ட் ரீடிங் த கொஸ்டின். இப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு வேர்டு சொல்லி ஸ்பெல்லிங் கேட்கலாம், இந்த வேர்டுக்கு தமிழில் வேர்டு சொல்லுன்னு கேட்கலாம், என்ன வேணாலும் கேட்கலாம்.
Who buy the Kioni?
Who buy the Kioni?
Phileas Fogg bought the elephant. What is the Tamil meaning for furious?
Very good. What is the Tamil word for furious?
The furious meaning name is Seetram.
கோபம். கடும் கோபமுடைய. Very good. What is the distance?
15 miles. 15 miles.
Okay, good. Same question. Group asked the question. Same group member answered the question. Okay, next.
What is the spelling of Sir Francis? S-I-R-F F-R-A-N-C-I-S C-R-O-M-A-R-T-Y.
Sir Francis Cromarty. Next.
Why was Mr. Fox is the travel in an elephant?
Why?
There were no tracks.
No, I didn't understand his question. Ask again. Karthikeyan, ask again.
Sir, why did Mr. Fogg choose travel to
Why did Mr. Fogg choose elephant as his conveyance? Hmm.
Sir, there were no
Other group only has to answer. Darshan, you didn't understand anything regarding that lesson? You didn't get up to ask question. You didn't answer any question. Is that you didn't understand the lesson? Or you're feeling boring to get up and answer?
because there were no railways.
No. What is the question he is asking? Choose elephant as his mode of transport because they were not able to find any other transport. There was only Kioni was available there. So he chose elephant as his mode of transport. What is the another word for transport? Conveyance. Okay. Did you enjoy this session?
Yes,
Okay. Shall we have one tomorrow?
yes,
Sea fever poem. One line you have to say. Next line this side any other student should say. Third line one should say. Fourth line another boy or girl should say. One boy, one girl. Like that. Did you understand? So tomorrow you are going to memorize the sea fever poem.
yes,
Tomorrow we can have this again.
yes,
Okay, very good.